Okay, it's Sunday the 18th of August. We have thunderstorms out there. Some of them have some pretty heavy rain. Some of these storms are moving slowly, so when it does rain in some areas, it could come down and cause a little bit of flash flooding. Mostly creeks or roads or whatever has bad drainage. That would be the big thing. But you can see they're scattered everywhere. So in no one area, like I said, this weekend was not a washout. Just that if you get a storm, just let it go by and then you'll be good. So this is basically your radar, your simulated radar. I compared it to reality, and this is pretty close. Um, this moves it, and you can see as we get into the afternoon hours deeper. Here's around 5 o'clock. You can see some of these are setting up here just above Allentown and heading back into Berks and Lebanon and out that way. And then there's some others scattered in northeastern PA, central PA, even out here some towards northwestern PA. You can see these things kind of rotate around. They're like spokes, one here, one here, one here, here. They rotate in a spoke with the front. Now, this is around 7 o'clock. You can see they're kind of concentrated from central New Jersey and north with some heavier stuff. So I would expect some flash flooding in those areas. And again, you can still see there are some thunderstorms spread out across the state, even down here towards, yeah, you can see down here in Delaware, there's some storms just off the coast here, but they again, everybody that's in my viewing area, you can see a thunderstorm. This moves it to around 8 o'clock this evening, and you can see they're still centrally located mostly over northern half of New Jersey. That could be troublesome. Again, you can still see some scattered storms out here in western PA, in PA, and then you can see there's another line. This takes you to around 10 o'clock tonight. These thunderstorms have moved eastward, basically towards Newark and towards the city and up that way. But you can see another cluster forming here down by Baltimore, and then up here towards York. And those will be moving into Delaware and Jersey as they go by. But you can see they right here, northern Delaware, Jersey, even down here by Philadelphia. The airport's going to see some heavier ones around. Again, this is around midnight. And then back here towards Berks and Allentown, maybe still some showers and some heavier downpours. And you can see it's very slow moving. This is now 2 o'clock in the morning. You can still see some off the lakes up here, but you can see them hanging out here in Jersey, and they're just working their way off the coast, and then they'll move away. And then you're just left with some scattered showers out over western Pennsylvania and into New York. So that's your radar summary for Sunday.